Let's enjoy trout, pearls, caviar, sauteed, and garlic, coconut oil, extra virgin coconut oil, tomatoes, ginger, and so heavenly spices. Yum. And also heavenly delicious food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom are in this gorgeous cookbook. Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes available worldwide online in ebook, Kindle, paperback formats, and at her daughter. Yes, that's me speaking to you over the video. Juanita Gutierrez, Amazon author, central page, Amazon, Ex Libris, and at my website, JuanitaGutierrez.com. Let's enjoy this so heavenly delicious, so nutritious sauteed trout, pearls, caviar. In Tagalog, itlog ng isda. So heavenly delicious. Try this. You're gonna love this. So yummy. Trout, pearls, caviar, sauteed. Yum. Enjoy.